Hello friends and welcome to day 14 of 30 Inks in 30 Days. Today I have Crystal Planet and I paired it with my Narwhal Schuykill in the Asper bronze finish. So when I first started looking for what Crystal Planet could refer to, there wasn't like one single specific thing, but I found multiple interesting candidates for what it could refer to. So planet 55 Cancri-E, a super Earth, was discovered in 2004 around a nearby star in our own Milky Way galaxy. And scientists say that this rocky world is made up mainly of carbon in the form of diamond crystals and graphite, as well as iron, silicon carbide, and potentially silicates. And at least a third of its mass is likely pure diamond. Then another possibility is Vesta, a minor planet and one of the biggest objects in the asteroid belt, has many crystals, and scientists discovered a rock made of magnetized crystals. Researchers believe the high magnetic field of Vesta, thanks to these crystals, could be a reason for Vesta's brightness, which is sometimes visible to the human eye. So that's pretty neat. Then in 2008, NASA discovered crystals similar to quartz surrounding young stars, and these crystals, called Cristobalite and Tridymite, swim in clouds around stars before they begin forming planets. And then India's Chandrayaan-1 probe, which was launched in October 2008, found crystal formations on the moon's surface, proving that a rolling ocean of magma once engulfed it. So those were some really pretty cool Crystal Planet references that I found. The Wizard of Oz's Emerald City exists, and it's on a young star 1,350 light years from Earth. Last year, NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope recorded images of green crystal rain falling on the star, HOPS 68, in the constellation Orion. The Emerald Rainstorm contains a bright green mineral of a class called olivine, also known as peridot to us Earth dwellers. That's from a Daily Beast article. When I first swatched this ink, I wasn't sure that I was going to like it. It's not the blue that I usually gravitate toward, but as soon as I put it in this pen and started writing with it, I loved it. I think also because it reminds me of Soda Pop Blue, which Manda got me hooked on. So I really love this ink, and I love how it looks with this pen. What's also neat is that when I first got this pen and inked it up, initially, the ink I was using, it was a very high sheener. I was having trouble with flow out of the nib, and I thought it was the nib and maybe not the ink because I hadn't played with too many colors yet. And it continuously had hard starts and would stop writing and was just generally very frustrating, so it made me not want to use it as much. When I put this ink in, this just flows right out of the nib, no problem, no hard starts. It's a good pairing. They seem to like each other. Plus, I just love these colors together. Lots and lots of nice shading, and there is some sheen going on here. And when you look at the writing, and I forgot to say earlier, this is a medium nib, and I feel like this Narwhal, this is a really thick medium. Like, to me, it feels more like a broad. But I love it for this because you can really get some good shading, and then you see like sheen lightly around the edges of the words. So I am enjoying this. I am loving this pairing. Then the swatch card, it doesn't pick up too much of the sheen on here, but you can see the shading. I went back over it to give it more of a gradient. And then the chromatography is very, very nice as well. Looks like an iceberg. Here are my splats. I like how that splat turned out. Yeah, I just really love this ink. Oh, I know at the beginning of this notebook I have a splat of Soda Pop Blue, so let's compare. Yeah, those look pretty close to me. The Soda Pop Blue splats look darker, and obviously the sheen is much darker and more prominent, but the writing is very similar. So that's interesting. Good to know, because I have a whole bottle of Soda Pop Blue now, and that means I don't need to get a bottle of Crystal Planet yet. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and being here, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!